Hi, in this episode, we are talking about how you can import goods from China to sell in your home country without any shipping fee or any stress of thinking about a shipping agent or freight forwarder who is going to ship it to your home country. This is what we are talking about today. My name is Seben. Welcome to my class once again. If you are here, you need to subscribe to the channel and like the video, share it to friends to also get the benefit of it. In my class, that's how you pay your tuition fee. You get it? Okay, now, so as I stated earlier on, you don't need to pay any shipping fee. You also don't need any freight forwarder or a shipping agent to ship it for you. It's as simple as that. Sometimes there's an item that is maybe purchased in your home country at $10, but if you buy it from China, you can sell it at $9, $8, or even $7 and still make a reasonable profit on that. Isn't this amazing? Yes. So let's get quickly into it and learn how we can import goods from China to our home country, whether you are in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Uganda, wherever. Mind you, this video is very detailed. It is teaching you every single detail that you need to know with importation. You see, sometimes someone will buy an item and they will come on social media and say what I ordered versus what I got. If you want to avoid all these things, this video has got you. I'm teaching you everything completely. So let's get started. So let's quickly go to Google Play Store or the App Store. Then we search for this app, Temu. We search for Temu. So since I have it already, it needs an update, but let's get done with the tutorial before I do my update. So you have downloaded Temu, then you go to you see the icon down here, the middle one, then you register for an account. So I've registered already. That's 7. But let me see this. If you are doing the registration or if you are buying, use your actual name, because this is an online market, please, and you need to use your actual name. It's very important. Now after registering, you need to go to the address sign there. You tap on it, then you set your address. And this is exactly where you are located, where you want your item to be delivered to when it comes to Ghana. So you follow, you provide the details that are needed or that are asked for here. So it takes quite some few things: your name, your telephone number, then your national ID card number, your region, your district, then your address. The address would mean where exactly you are located, so that when the item is in Ghana, it will be delivered to you, or you go and take it from the pickup joint. And also you need to set it to default if you want to. But since I already have it, I'm not going to do it again. So let me just go back. You see, I've been buying, so they are giving me a promo. Okay, now let's go to the main thing. So let's say you want to purchase an item. You need to scroll through to find items that you want to search, or you go to the search bar up there, then you search for the particular item that you need. Mind you, here there are items that you won't get, items like fridge and television set, like the huge items. You might not get them here. So let's say we are buying this suit. When you are buying an item, please read the description of the item very well. Make sure you read everything, because it will tell you whether the item that you are buying is what you want or not. After reading about the item, you need to hit on that size. After selecting the particular size that you need, you hit on the size description and it takes you here. When it takes you here, it gives you the exact sizes of the chest, of the waist, and every other part of your body. So it lets you know what you are buying, whether the size is for you or not. So before you do this, make sure you know your actual size too. It will help you to know whether what you are buying is the real one or not. Then you select the number of or the quantity that you want to buy by tapping on the plus sign to add more, or leaving it like that. Now after everything, you need to hit on the cart. The cart that's on the right hand side bottom of every item. When you hit on it, it goes into your cart. That's where you pack all your items that you would want to buy. So that's it. Now let me use one other item to teach you one particular thing. Now there's one thing that I'll need to teach you. So let me select another item. I'm using a different item to teach you this particular thing, how you are going to avoid buying a fake item. This procedure teaches you to know that this is what I am buying. Some people have already bought that item before, and this thing that I'm going to teach you will tell you that this thing that I'm going to teach you, it is going to let you know that this is what I'm going to get after buying this particular item. So this is how it works. Let's use this earphone, for example, earpiece, earphone, however you call it. So you hit on it like this, you scroll downwards. When you scroll downwards, you are going to meet people's reviews. They have written their reviews there. Tap on the first one. When you tap on it, another set of reviews will come. You keep scrolling. This one, we got it right from the first review, but then sometimes you will need to keep scrolling. You hit on the first review, another set of reviews will come. You keep scrolling till you see people's picture and video reviews. Most items, people give their reviews and in picture and video form. So this will let you know how the item actually looks. If you don't do that, you might buy what I ordered versus what I got. So it tells you how it actually looks. Then you know what exactly you are buying. Hey, this dress is very beautiful. Should I buy for someone here? If you need it, raise up your hand at the comment section and I'll buy for you. So this item, it doesn't have a picture review. Okay, mind you, picture reviews are very good. That's where you see what the item actually is. So every time you buy, check for picture review. Now I'm gonna teach you how to avoid buying those what I ordered versus what I got items, that tiny items, like you buy a fridge and something tiny will come. So let's search for this. Hit on the search bar, let's type miniature items. You see these miniature items. You see the car, the chairs here. Let's use this one. You see, if you read the description, you are going to see that if you see miniature in the description, it means it is one of those tiny items. You don't need to buy it. Let's go to the review and see what it actually is or how it actually looks like. So any item that you see miniature, it means you are buying something horrible. And okay, I have not seen an item that doesn't have the term miniature, but it is a miniature item. It doesn't happen that way. Every miniature item has the term miniature in it. But then most of the time, you need to go to the review to watch. What if miniature, the term miniature is in there, but the item actually is a miniature item? So you always need to go to the review. So see, the chairs and the table, look at how they are. Have you seen their pictures? So that's how to figure out miniature items. Okay, now let's keep going. Now one other thing, most items have variations in colors, sizes, and a whole lot. So if you're buying an item that has variations, you need to select the particular type you want. And mind you, sometimes different types comes with different prices. Shoes, especially the shoes, smaller sizes are lesser price, have lesser prices, but bigger sizes have bigger prices. So this one, you need to select the variation, then you need to select the color, whatever, the number of or the quantity you are buying, then you add it to cart. So that's how it is. This one also doesn't have reviews. I actually don't buy items that do not have reviews, frankly speaking, because I want to see what I'm buying before I buy. So let's say you are done buying everything you want to buy. What do? You hit on the cart. The cart is that button, that green and white button there, or you see go to cart here. You can use that one to go to your cart. So anyway, you enter your cart. Now here is your cart. These are items that you have added to your cart. To make a purchase, sometimes your money wouldn't be enough to purchase all these items, even after the discount that they would give you. So you need to deselect them. Or what you would have to do is you deselect all of them. You see all up here, you hit on the all, and everything will be deselected. Then you start selecting the ones that you want. Also, if you want to delete any item, you see that being at the right hand side of each item. You hit on it and it gets deleted. So as simple as that. So now let's say you have selected every item that you would want to buy. You are done with your selections. What do? Before that, one thing worthy of note is that you have an amount of items that you have to buy before your purchase can go through. Mine is 350. When I started, it was I think 450 or 250 rather. Yeah, I've forgotten. You need to buy 350 cedis of items before your purchase can be successful. At least 350. So you need to buy more, or the exact amount that you'll be given there. So now let's say you are done selecting your items and now you have to check out. So for you to check out, you just need to hit on the button that's checkout. You hit on it, it takes you to where you are supposed to make the payment. Then you make the necessary payments, then there you go. So the payment options here include Visa card, MasterCard, all those credit cards, then Google Pay, then mobile money. I think this Google Pay mobile money just came recently because I have been using Visa card to do it. That's why I have my Visa card details there and my address also there. They know my address, so whenever I pay, that's where it automatically comes to. Mind you have to fill your account. You have to fill your Visa card already, because the moment you tap on submit order, it's automatically deducts from your account. And now here you can pay 3 cedis 84 pesos to fund a tree. You fund a tree. It's a donation that you make. It's out of your free will that you need to do it. It isn't compulsory. So let's say you're done with everything, just hit on submit order. You can choose a new address or you keep your old address that you have. So let me go back. I'm using the old address. Okay, so submit order, then it deducts automatically. Then you are done. You just need to start tracking your item from Temu. So you'll be given updates from time to time. You just go and check here where your item has gotten to. If they start packing the item, if your order is paid for, you'll be made to know. If they start packing the item, you'll be made to know. If it goes to the airport, everything, you'll be made to know. So that's how it works. So if you want to track, this is how it is done. You go to your orders, then the order you placed will come. You see track over there, you hit on track. When you go there, you see the shipping company or agent that your item was given to. That's the courier that your item was given to bring to you to wherever you are. Then you can even call them. Their contact is there. You can call them if your item you think it is delaying, or sometimes the Temu will tell you that your item is in Ghana or in your country, but then you might have not received a call from the courier. So you call them to find out why you still haven't received your item. So when you go to the contact, you find them over there, and they give you updates. Whatever is happening with your item, when it's being packed, when it's going through customs and everything, you get updates. So that's how it works. Now messages, when you come here, this is where promotions are. That's discounts. So whenever you are giving any discount, it comes here. So this is up to 90% off, extra discount, extra off, discount card upgrade, whatever. So if you use any of these discounts, if you use any of these, you get discount on the items that you buy. Apart from the items prices being low, using them gives you another discount too. So whenever you get a message here, then you check here, then you quickly make your purchases so that you use it. Mind you, they expire. Yeah. Now reviews too. Here is where you give a review of the items that you bought. So you can come here, leave a review, then you write something about it. whether it was a good item or not. Mind you, whenever you make a purchase or you buy an item from Temu and the item doesn't arrive on time, or for any other reason, whatever reason, you want a refund, you come to return or refund. So when you go to return or refund, you follow the you select the items that you want refunds for. Maybe some of the items have developed faults. They developed faults before they reached you, or they weren't as you saw in the pictures whatsoever. So you select those items, then you select the reason you are going for the refund. So fabric or material not as expected, color pattern not as expected, any other reason that you'd want to select. So after selecting your reasons, you need to add the pictures of the items before you go, Charlie. So you just follow the prompt, then you do whatever you are supposed to do before you go for a refund. So basically, this is how is it buying from China into your home country. If there is anything that you would want to know, anything that you think I did not mention and you want to know, if you have heard anything anywhere and you want more clarifications, you just let me know at the comment section, then I'm going to attend to you and clarify things very well. But please don't forget to subscribe, because I got more videos for you. Watch the video to the very end, as I have information for you over there. I hope you are amazed and you like this, right? Let me know at the comment section whatever questions you have, whatever concerns that you have, everything that you need to know that I did not mention. Let me know at the comment section and I'm going to do justice to that one. Mind you, apart from Temu, there is also Alibaba. And you know what? On Alibaba, you get the items very cheaper than Temu. An item that you might get it for, let's say, $5 on Temu, you might get it around $2 to $3 on Alibaba, because on Temu, your shipping fee and everything is covered. Everything is covered until the item gets to the pickup station where you go and pick it, or you will be given a car to be given to you. But for Alibaba, you need a shipping agent. You need, what do we call it? You need to pay shipping fee. That's why the prices are so low, and you even make more profit selling from Alibaba than Temu. So subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and stay tuned. A video on Alibaba will also drop very soon. If you want to know how to use AI to make some money, check the link up here or watch it after the video, because I'll put it at the end of the video. The name is Seven. Thank you for watching. Let's meet some other time.